Today, we're going to show you how to get started using your Garmin eTrex series handheld. Before powering on your eTrex, you will need to insert two AA batteries. We recommend nickel metal hydride or lithium batteries, but alkaline will work. To install the battery, turn the D-ring counterclockwise on the battery cover and pull away from the handheld. The handheld serial number is also in this compartment. Install the batteries, making sure to get the positive and negative polarity inserted correctly. Replace the battery cover and turn the D-ring clockwise. To turn the eTrex on, briefly hold the power button until you see the Garmin screen. You can also use this button to change backlight settings, view battery level, or ensure satellite acquisition. Just press it quickly and release. To power off, press and hold again until the screen goes black. Now let's talk about the Thumbstick. It is a multi-directional joystick for navigating the menus and applications of the eTrex. Moving it up, down, left, and right will move your selector for the menus or the selection tool on the map page. When you want to choose an option, press directly into the device on the Thumbstick. You may hear it click. It is important to ensure you are pressing straight in on the Thumbstick to get the right selection. For the other buttons on the eTrex, the up and down arrows on the left side are for zooming in and out on things like the map page. The menu button opens submenus on pages. Press it twice to return to the main menu. The back button is used for returning to the previous page or menu. For more information on how to use waypoints, routes, and tracks on this eTrex series, view our other videos. As a reminder, ensure the software in your Garmin eTrex handheld is up to date. You can do this using the Garmin Express program for your Windows or Mac computer. Just connect the handheld to your computer with a micro USB cable and download the free program. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.